One bearing fails at 2 a.m., your entire production line shuts down. This is the reality of modern automation. AI-driven systems are increasingly expected to operate continuously, with minimal downtime and predictable maintenance cycles. Whether in robotics, automation, or infrastructure, reliability is no longer optional. It is a design requirement. Continuous duty changes the equation. As duty cycles increase, bearings must perform under sustained loads, speeds, temperatures, and operating cycles. Failures or inconsistencies in motion components can interrupt production, compromise data integrity, or shut down entire systems. But here's what's interesting. Reliability enables predictive maintenance. Modern AI systems are often used to monitor equipment health. Consistent bearing performance makes predictive maintenance models more effective by providing stable, repeatable operating behavior. In other words, reliable components make intelligent maintenance possible. CW Bearing designs bearings for durability and consistency to support long service life in continuous duty environments. Helping manufacturers maintain uptime and system confidence. Consistent motion enables reliable operation and smarter maintenance.